Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Mises browser. First, you'll want to download the Mises browser application directly from your iPhone's App Store. Once installed, open the browser. You should see an extensions icon, often a small puzzle piece, usually located near the bottom of your screen. Tap on this icon to reveal your installed extensions. You'll likely find the MetaMask extension already pre-installed and ready to go. Now that you've located MetaMask, tap its icon to open the wallet interface. Here, you have two main options. If you already have a MetaMask wallet, you can easily import it by entering your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Remember to keep this phrase extremely secure. If you're new to MetaMask, simply choose to create a new wallet and follow the straightforward steps to set up your account and generate a new secret recovery phrase. With your MetaMask wallet set up in Mises, you're ready to explore decentralized applications, or dApps. Simply type the dApps address into the Mises browser's search bar and navigate to the site. Once on the dApp, look for a Connect Wallet button, typically found in the top right corner. Tap this button, and when prompted, select MetaMask from the available wallet choices to securely link your wallet to the application. For a smooth and secure experience, always prioritize your wallet's safety. Your secret recovery phrase is the key to your funds, so never share it or store it insecurely. If you experience connection problems, try disabling any other wallet extensions you might have installed, as they can sometimes conflict. Also, regularly check for updates to both your Mises browser and the MetaMask extension to ensure optimal performance and security features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.